never feel so loud. When the world keep running circles, we just let the moment slow down. No explaining how we got here, no need to trace the steps behind. Just the calm between our breathing, just your rhythm next to mine. You don't fill the space with noise, you don't rush the feeling through. You let the quiet speak for us, and that's why I stay with you. In the stillness, I feel you close. No need for signs, no need to pose. Every fear just fade away when we let the silence stay. No promises we have to say, no future we have to chase. In the stillness, I know this love is safe. I've no love that needed proving. Every pause felt like a test, but you don't question every moment. You just let the quiet rest. When the night leans soft upon us and the city finally sleeps, there's a peace I never knew before in the space where we just breathe. You don't need the world to see, you don't need to make a scene. Understand the beauty of what silence really means. In the stillness, I feel you close. No need for signs, no need to pose. Every fear just fade away when we let the silence stay. No promises we have to say, no future we have to chase. In the stillness, I know this love is safe. If love is real, it doesn't shout, it doesn't need to work things out. It sits with you, it lets you be. It grows inside the quiet gently, no fear hiding underneath. Just trust moving naturally. In the stillness, I feel you near. Nothing missing, nothing unclear. All the noise fall far away when we let the silence stay. No rush, no fear, no escape. Just now, just here, just fade. In the stillness, I know this love is safe.